y'all. So today's wig is from RPGSHOW. So this is what the packaging looks like. This cute black box wrapped in this white packaging. Now this wig is their brown with blonde or gold highlights, I should say. Comes with this stocking cap. This is like a wax stick inside of here. Has like some details on the wig in this black envelope, and then it has their wig magazine, and then this is what the highlighted wig looks like. And y'all know I'm about to slay this wig. So anyways, girl, let's go ahead and put the wig on. And of course, y'all know the drill. I am not using any glue for this install. I'm going to be using the Ebin hairspray to secure my. So RPGSHOW did a revamp on their frontal wigs. So when it comes to putting their wigs on, sometimes you can put a wig on and it kind of sticks out in the front, where you end up having to use more glue or more gel to have your lace lay flat on your head. That's not the case here with RPGSHOW. So they revamped their lace frontal wig to give a more glueless effect. So it's called the Glueless Fit 2.0. So as you can see here on the picture as well as my video, when I put my wig on, like right where my forehead is, the wig lays flat, like it's snug. And that's what you want when it comes to like a glueless wig install, where you don't have to use like glue, gel, or spray. Or if you choose to use either one of those methods, you don't have to use like a lot of either one of those products. So I did want to mention that they did revamp their lace. So for this install, I'm going to be doing a middle part, and before I actually get to the styling, I'm going to section off my hair and get my hair as flat as possible, going in with a wax stick and some hairspray, and then following up with a hot comb. I'm going to do this in small sections just to make sure the wig is super flat. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after I took the hair into sections and applied the hot comb. So the wig is super flat. I got this technique from my hairstylist Marquis, and when I tell y'all this technique it works. So now that I got the wig super flat, I'm gonna go ahead and take the headband off and cut the lace. And so far yes, the lace definitely melted into the skin. And by the way, this is a Swiss lace. Let me give you girls the details on this wig. Okay, so yeah, so this is a tinted transparent Swiss lace that comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and this is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. This is 20 inches, and the texture on this wig is wavy. So yeah, girl, as you can see, the lace is blending into the skin. I am going to have to go in and add a little bit more of the hairspray, which is normal, just to make it blend a little bit more into the skin. But like I said, that's just a normal technique. So I'm just going in with my razor comb right here and just cutting the lace. So yeah. Okay, so now that I got the extra lace cut off, I'm going to go in with the spray and applying the spray directly on my fingers and tapping my fingers on the lace, and this is going to help melt that lace into my skin, and it also is going to tint the lace a little bit as well. And voila, as you can see, the lace is literally melted into my skin. Now that everything is blended and super duper flat, y'all, this wig is so beautiful and the lace is just perfect. I'm going to go ahead and pull some baby hairs out and go ahead and start to get the baby hairs perfect. Okay, y'all, so the baby hairs are now in place, and now it is time to curl my hair. But before I actually curl my hair, I am going to cut some layers in my hair. Now, layering my hair is not new to this channel. When it comes to layering my hair, I just actually use a eyebrow razor comb, nothing too fancy. I take a section of my hair. I actually take a section in front of my ear and just start going downward. I don't take off too much at the beginning because of course, like, if you take off too much you can't fix that, so I always take off a little bit at first and then take off more as I need to as I go. And I always start off by just framing my face first. Okay, y'all, so now that I got the layers in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in my hair. I'm using my favorite curling iron, which is my T3 curling iron. Y'all, pick up this curling iron, but please do not pay full price. These curling irons are always on sale. Never pay full price. Ever. Do not pick these up at Ulta. Go online, go to the website, because they're always like 25, 30, 50% off, always. But anyways, this is like, I think like a 1.5, maybe 2-inch barrel, girl. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the description bar. I'm gonna leave the size somewhere in the video. I don't know, somewhere, child. But anyways, I'm gonna use a bigger barrel underneath it. Then I'm gonna go on top with a smaller barrel, just so like I get a luminous effect. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are troubling. Ready to give up my game. Ready to be on my game. My mind, wanting to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Let it try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need, I really need, I really need, I really need. I really need So now that I got my hair curled, I'm about to go ahead and finger comb my curls. And I like to finger comb my curls going to the back just to pull my hair away from my face. And as you can see, my technique leaves my curls fluffy and full. And like I said earlier, I don't like to cut off too much of my hair because I may have to go back into sections and take off a little bit more hair. And that's what I'm doing right now, going back in with some sections and just layering the hair a little bit more, just where there may be like some heavier sections where my curls may not fall exactly where I want them to fall. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look to this wig. This is a 200% density wig, in case I did not mention that already in this video. So yeah, y'all, this is such a beautiful wig. I'm going to make sure I leave all the purchasing information below in this video. There will also be a coupon code for you to save yourself some money if you decide to purchase this wig. If you are looking to get a highlight wig or a wig with some color this summer, definitely try RPG Show. They never ever disappoint when it comes to their color wigs or even their lace frontal wigs. So yes, girl, check them out.